SABRENT 8TB Rocket 4 Plus NVMe SSD, the one drive that replaced everything.
You know that moment when you're about to start a project and realize you need to delete something first? You pause, you calculate, you choose what gets sacrificed today. A filmmaker I know spent 20 minutes deciding which client project to archive just to import new footage. That mental overhead is invisible but exhausting. It kills momentum. Have you ever wondered what working without storage anxiety actually feels like?
That constant trade-off drains more than disk space. It fractures your focus. You waste hours managing files instead of creating. Editors miss deadlines waiting for transfers. Gamers reinstall the same 100-gigabyte title for the third time this month. It's a quiet, grinding frustration you've learned to accept as normal. But there's a different way. What if one drive just held everything?
The SABRENT 8TB Rocket 4 Plus NVMe 4.0 Gen 4 PCIe M.2 internal SSD is that breakthrough. Don't just pick any NVMe drive. Make sure it has true 8TB capacity with sustained 7,100 megabytes per second read speeds so you avoid the endless storage juggling that kills productivity. This single M.2 stick delivers sequential read speeds up to 7,100 megabytes per second and writes at 6,600 megabytes per second, nearly saturating the Gen 4 interface while holding 8 full terabytes. A video editor transferred 500 gigabytes of 6K footage in under 2 minutes, then scrubbed through the timeline without a single dropped frame. Another creator installed 160 AAA games and still had 3 terabytes free. The Phison E18 controller and 3D TLC NAND with dedicated DRAM cache ensure random performance stays snappy, whether you're booting Windows, loading Unreal Engine assets, or launching virtual machines. The SLC cache on the 8TB model is massive, sustaining peak write speeds far longer than smaller drives. Crystal Disk Mark scores consistently match rated specs. 5-year warranty included. 1 slot, 8 terabytes, 0 compromises.
Here's what actually happens when you consolidate everything onto the Rocket 4 Plus. Your workflow simplifies overnight. No more drive letter confusion. No more wondering which SSD holds that one file. No more uninstalling games to make room for updates. A professional storage reviewer stated that the drive consistently hit 7,000 plus megabytes per second in benchmarks and sustained those speeds under prolonged workloads thanks to intelligent thermal management and robust caching. A popular PC building influencer mentioned replacing a 3-drive setup with a single 8TB Rocket 4 Plus and never looking back. The simplicity transformed his editing efficiency. Independent testing confirmed random 4K performance exceeding 650,000 IOPS, which translates to instant application launches and database query speed. A 3D artist shared that loading massive texture libraries that used to take minutes now happens in seconds. The double-sided PCB design fits standard desktop motherboards without issue. Just confirm laptop or PS5 clearance if needed. Thermals stay controlled with any decent M.2 heatsink. Which would you rather do? Manage multiple drives or just work? Growing demand means inventory moves faster than it used to. Professionals who switched early now call it their most essential component. What you're really choosing is creative freedom without storage limits. Join the many creators, engineers, and gamers already seeing consistent workflow improvements and reclaiming hours previously lost to file management. Results may vary based on your specific workload, but the pattern is clear. Consolidation wins. The link in the description has current availability and configuration details. This is the drive that finally lets you stop thinking about storage and start focusing on the work that matters. 1 M.2 slot, 8 terabytes. 0 regrets.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.